Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna be walking through how to set a custom status in Discord. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe how to admin it. So right now I'm in my Discord, and to set a custom status, click on this profile icon here, and here you will get an option to set a custom status, so click on it. And now here type your custom status and clear. After, you can select the duration. I'm going to select here 4 hours and select the status from here and click on save. So here you can see I have successfully set a custom status in my Discord. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe how to admin it. Thank you for watching.